Joining me today is Lee from LMT UK, and we're going to be talking about some of the fabulous milling products and why and how you can buy them. Lee, welcome. Tell us about these wonderful products.
Yeah, so thank you, Joe. We're currently running a promotion called Boost Milling. It's a campaign that we're running now. You get 10 inserts per pocket, you get the bodies for free. And in that range, we have got a wide range of cutters that are on promotion. So we can start off with the shoulder mill. So this comes in your single insert shoulder mill and then the long edge mill. We then move on to the 45-degree cutter, which it's a heavily used cutter in the market, but it's a very good usable tool.
Mm-hmm. So what we're trying to do here is presumably entice new adopters to LMT. People maybe haven't used LMT before, but maybe they're customers currently.
Yeah, that's exactly right. We're trying to just encourage people to look at LMT a bit more and sort of bring that focus back to them. So then we can move on to the high feed cutters, and we've got two high feed cutters with this. So we've got a 2-edged insert and then the 4-edged insert, and then we come on to the button insert.
Okay, and just for people who haven't used button mill before, or even high feed, where do they kind of sit?
So they kind of sit in between the sort of the 45-degree. If you went from a button, that sits in between with the high feed. They all sort of interlock together. So a high feed is quick metal removal rates, low depth of cuts, sends the forces in the right directions. Your sort of button mill is generally used on the older machines that are taking bigger depth of cuts. You've still got your feed rates, but it's a bit more, it's more application specific to send the forces into the job. So you need a good strong work holding.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, wonderful. Nice and simple. Everyone knows your products are tried and trusted, but now they are available under promotion. So how can people find out more?
Yeah, so we're under promotion. As I said before, it's 10 inserts per pocket. You get the body for free. If you come to LMT UK, you can find all the information on there.
Many thanks, Lee. So if you want more information, or in fact to buy some of these wonderful tools, reach out to the team at LMT UK.